Mosquito. बात करेंगे सब लोगों के साथ इंडिया held IRCTC among 560 companies to announce earnings for PSU Q3 financial year 26 result today. ONGC Coal India held IRCTC among 560 plus companies to announce earnings. Mumbai, February 12, 2026. The Wall Street is bracing for a high-octane Thursday as over 560 companies are scheduled to release their Q3 financial year 2025 to 26 earnings. The spotlight remains firmly on the public sector undertaking PSUs, which have recently outperformed private peers. Investors are hunting for two things: interim dividend and future guidance. The Q3 scorecard expects of here's reality. Analysis expected a mixed bag with energy gain, facing margin pressures while defense and railway PSU continue their structural growth trajectory. Despite its steady realization compared to last year, might wait on the bottom line. Last result 9,848 crore standalone. Expected Q3 profit 8,800 to 9,300 crore or a six sequential decline expected, and the investor triggers watch for the second interim dividend announcement. Limited CIL is expected to report a massive sequential jump in profit due to seasonal higher demand for power during the winter month and increases production volume. Last result Q2 financial year 26 4,263 crore. Expected Q3 profit 6,000 to 600 400 crore for 45% QOQ growth expected. The investor trigger E action premium are the key metrics. If premiums remain remain above 80%, the stock could see a fresh breakout. Hull Hindustan Aeronautic Ltd. Defense remains the darlings of the market. Hell's focus on innovation is expected to reflected in improved EBITDA margin. Last result Q2 financial year 26 1,669 crore or expected Q3 profit 1,900 to 1,980 crore or 15 to 18% YOY growth. Hell announced Q3 financial year 26 result net profit soars 29% to 1,852 crore. IRCTC, which the expansion of Vande Bharat train and stars in luxury tourism, IRCTC is looking at a steady double-digit growth. Last result Q2 financial year 26, 3,341 crore. Expected Q3 profit 370 to 390 crore or 11% YOY growth. The investor triggered revenue contribution from the non-ticketing segment and catering and tourism higher. Catering margin will be primarily driver for stock rating. Comparative analysis and market watch. ONGC 9,848 crore or Q3 financial year project 9,150 crore or growth 7 to 1% of QOQ or dividend yield production volume EBA margin. Or Coal India 4,263 crore or Q3 financial year 26 projected Coal India 6,200 crore or Hull 1,669 crore or Q3 financial year project 1,940 crore. IRCTC 341 crore or Q3 financial year project 380 crore. Investor strategy. What should you watch the dividend calendar? February is the dividend month for PSUs. ONGC and Coal India are traditional heavy lifter here. Investors should keep an eye on the record date to be eligible for this payout. Or management commentary on capex आप लोगों ने देखा है भारत इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स VEL and Engineer India which also reported to the capital expenditure guidance for the final quarter Q4 will be more important than the Q3 number themselves. और आप लोगों ने देखा आज आप लोगों से डिस्कस कर रहा है जो PSU की फाइनेंशियल ईयर result today and ONGC Coal India Hall IRCTC among 560 plus companies to announce earning. और आप लोगों ने देखा मुंबई February 12, 2026 often Thursday on over 560 companies are scheduled to release their Q3 financial year 25 to 26 taking PSU which have recently outperformed private peers. Investors are hunting for two things: interim dividend and future guidance. ONGC Oil and Natural Gas Corporation for last result Q2 financial year 26 9,848 crore sterling and expected Q3 profit 8,800 to 9,300 crore or 6 sequentially decline expected. The investor triggers watch for the second interim dividend announcement and management commentary on the KG basin output run up. Coal India Limited CIL last जो result है 4,263 crore and expected Q3 profit 6,000 to 6,400 crore and 45% QOQ growth expected. The investor और जो एयरलाइन रिटर्न एरोनॉटिक लिमिटेड जो लास्ट रिजल्ट है Q3 financial year 26 1,669 crore or expected Q3 profit 1,900 to 1,950 crore. Thank you.